Alright, well, this is my guide on how to make a SWAT team ballistic shield for Airsoft. Start off with your standard boogie board, and right here, took a knife and I cut off all the nylon covering on it, and then I cut a rectangle right here, and took some 1/4 inch polycarbonate and taped it in and duct taped around the entire boogie board, and it withstands shots pretty well. You know, it's pretty good cover. It's a little larger than this size, and I've got a Smith & Wesson Sigma here, and it's shooting about 360 feet per second, loaded with 2.5s. And because I'm so confident in my design that I'm going to demonstrate the view that you would see through the ballistic material. So here it goes. Here's the finished shield. Got, you know, one hit here, one hit right there, and then got a few hits right there from an earlier test on the ballistic material, and penetrated the first layer, which is just simple polycarbonate, and then the second layer, which is a much thicker polycarbonate, is what's really stopping power. But you can see I put a little handle on there, duct taped it all the way around, camoed the front, because I think camo's so badass. And so here is the view through ballistic material. Try and get it a good view for you. Slide it for me. There you go. Sigma, right at it. Safety's off. Firing. There you go. 4 more shots. You can see it pretty much annihilates the first layer of plastic there. But once it hits this second layer of polycarbonate, it's not going anywhere, baby. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a boogie board SWAT ballistic shield for Airsoft.